Alright guys, it's Friday and it's NFP day, one of the most important news for the US. If it comes higher, then, we already know the drill. If it comes lower, we already know the drill as well. I just want to pay attention for what Jerome Powell have said yesterday, okay? Why is very important today, tonight, 11:30. It's 11:30. We're gonna have non-farm payrolls from October, as well. We're gonna have the unemployment rate. That would be the two most important ones. And the average hourly earnings. So it doesn't matter if NFP comes, non-farm payroll comes very, very high, but then the average hourly earnings comes low because all of those people working that they are working now, they're just not receiving the money that they should be receiving. So all of those three indicators has to be going forward, and not one going forward, another one going backward. They need to be on an harmony, all right, on a correlation. Okay. So non-farm payroll is expected. The consensus is at 188,000, and the previous was the 336,000 that came much higher than expected. Remember those days. And then the unemployment rate is expected to not change, to be at 3.8, and the average hourly earning is expected to have a small increase from 0.2 to 0.3. This is expectations. That doesn't matter. That doesn't mean that it will come as expected, right? It may come lower or may come higher. What's my take on that? Well, if NFP comes higher than expected, then, all of those two others, unemployment rate and the average hourly earnings, come higher than expected as well, or even as expected, but we need the NFP coming higher than expected, then this will indicate to us that the Fed may hike the rates again in December. All right, so this would be a very big news, and this is because the Fed said, the Jerome Powell said yesterday on the FOMC, and they made very clear that they will be data dependent. So this is data, right? And the data, if the data comes higher than expected, then it will increase the possibility, not that we'll actually do it, but increase the possibility for a Fed hike in December, 13th of December. Will the Fed give us a nice, 25 basis point as gift for Christmas? We don't know. We need to watch this data. We need to check how it will work, will perform in the market, and see if the dollar stays beat. What I mean by the dollar stays beat, if the dollar stays buyer on the side of the market, okay? Apart from that, the week was very, very busy. We had as well the Bank of England yesterday, and then we had the FOMC in the morning. I've broken down everything into my Telegram channel. I've mentioned about the statement on yesterday videos as well. Tuesday we had a webinar, so very nice week. Now we're heading for a new month, right? So we are right now on the 3rd of November. So next week will be a very nice week as well. So stay up on the market and already subscribe to my webinar. Register for my webinar, next Tuesday. Very, very close date, and that is where you can get the link to access the Telegram channel. All right, guys, so you have all a very nice, I don't know where you live, warm or cold weekend, and I see you in the next week.